Hey there guys, it's me Pat and welcome back again to another tutorial. For today's video, we are going to discuss how to solve the 1's and 2's complement of a binary number. So just a quick recall guys, pag meron tayong isang binary number, usually, ang pinaka nasa right side niya would be yung LSB na tinatawag. Okay? Or that stands for least significant bit. While yung nasa pinaka-left side naman niya ay tinatawag natin na MSB or yung most significant bit. Now, bakit ko di-discuss tong dalawang concepts na to? Kasi mamaya gagamitin natin tong shortcut para maintindihan yung concept ng 1's and 2's complement. So, when we say 1's, or yung 1's complement na tinatawag, ang gagawin lang natin dyan is i-invert natin lahat ng given na bits. Ibig sabihin, yung 0 gagawin mong 1 at yung 1 ay gagawin mong 0. Okay? Now, when it comes to 2's complement naman, ang gagawin natin is to invert all the given bits or i-change natin yung 0 to 1 and vice versa. Tapos, may isang additional step which is mag-a-add tayo ng 1 dun sa LSB na posisyon. Ibig sabihin, magpa-plus 1 tayo dun sa pinaka-right side ng binary number. Or in short, itong 2's complement na to, kapag pinaikli natin yung step, that would be getting the 1's complement muna, which is itong invert all the given bits, since same naman sila. Tapos, mag-a-add lang tayo ng 1 from LSB. Now, para hindi kayo masyadong ma-overwhelm dito sa mga terms na to, mas maganda kung i-apply natin siya sa actual examples, okay? So, in this one, nilagay ko na ang ating shortcut method nandito sa taas para mas mag-guide tayo all throughout the steps ng 1's and 2's complement. So, meron tayong example dito na 101 base 2 na ating binary. So, what we're going to do is to get the 1's complement first. So, to get the 1's complement, again guys, i-invert lang natin to. So, usually na ginagawa ko dito would be to start sa pinaka-right side or yung LSB na tinatawag natin. So, yung 1 magiging 0, yung 0 ay magiging 1, at yung 1 ay magiging 0. Okay? So, base 2, automatic, ito na yung ating answer sa 1's complement. Now, next naman would be yung 2's complement. So, sabi dito, i-invert muna natin yung given, and then mag-add tayo ng 1 dun sa LSB. So, by the way guys, kailangan matutunan nyo din na mag-add ng binary numbers para makuha nyo yung 2's complement. Okay? So, sabi dito, since invert na natin yan, automatic kapag in-invert natin tong example, eto na yon. So, ang gagawin na lang natin from this example, i-recycle lang natin siya, 0, 1, 0. Mag-a-add na lang tayo ng 1 sa LSB na side niya or position. So, nasa yung LSB, ito yon, mag-a-add tayo ng 1. So, kapag in-add natin 0 plus 1, that would be 1. Then, since wala na to, bring down lang natin. And then, automatic, ito ang ating answer para sa 2's complement. Okay? And then, make sure kapag hindi nyo pa gets yung pag-a-add ng binary numbers, meron din akong ginawang video dyan at ilalagay ko na lang yung link down below. So, moving on to our next example, we have here 10101 base 2. So, again, kuhanin natin yung 1's complement. And dito tayo magsimula sa pinaka-rightmost side. So, that would be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, base 2. Okay? Now, for the 2's complement, again, i-recycle ko lang to. Tapos, mag-a-add tayo ng 1 dun sa LSB position niya. So, 0 plus 1, that would be 1. Then, bring down the remaining items. At ito na yung ating 2's complement. Okay? So, next example, we have here this one. Again guys, pwede nyo akong sabayan. Ang 1's complement natin dyan would be 1, and then apat na 0. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, base 2. Ayan, madali lang siya kapag titignan nyo. Now, for the 2's complement naman, ang gagawin natin is to recycle this one, or pwedeng idiretso na natin para mas mabilis tayo mag-solve. So, that would be 1 plus 1, that would be 0, carry 1, and then 1, 0, 0, 0, base 2. So, ang ating answer dyan would be, okay? Now, what about this next example? We have here a decimal naman, or parang may decimal point, decimal format ng ating binary number. So, paano natin gagawin yung 1's complement? So, just the same guys, nilagyan lang ng decimal point, dito tayo mag-start sa pinaka-rightmost side. So, that would be 1, then 1, tapos ilagay lang natin yung decimal point kung saan siya nakalagay talaga, tapos mag-proceed tayo dun sa same process. Okay? So, ito ang ating answer para sa 1's complement. Now, paano naman kuhanin yung sa 2's complement? Para makuha natin sa 2's complement, same concept lang din katulad ng kanina, i-recycle natin to, so that would be 0, 1, 1, that 1, 1, tapos mag-a-add tayo ng 1 dun sa LSB position. Now, take note, since may decimal point to, hindi dito ang LSB position niya, kundi nandito sa pinaka right side, which is ito. So, that would be 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry 1, and then 1 plus 1 again, that would be 0, carry 1, tapos yung decimal point, ibaba lang natin. Tapos mag-proceed tayo dito, that would be 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry 1. Again, this is just the same, 0, carry 1, and then since wala nakasunod, bring down 1, this would be our answer for this 2's complement. Okay? So, for our next example, we have this. So, that would be 0, 0, dot, 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. Okay? Huwag kayong malilito sa pag-i-interchange. Okay? Tignan nyo muna kung tama ba talaga yung sagot natin. Now, for the 2's complement, same as kanina, pwede nyo rin naman diretsuhin, pero para sa demonstration purposes at para mas maintindihan nyo yung lesson, nilalagay ko siya dito. Okay? So, lalagyan ulit natin ng 1 sa pinaka-rightmost side. So, that would be 0 plus 1. That would be 1. 0. Bring down yung ating decimal point. 1, 0, 1, 0 since wala naman na siya dito. So, that would be the answer. Okay? For the 2's complement. Now, what about this next example? So, dito ulit tayo magsa-start sa pinaka-right. That would be 0. And then 1, 0, 0. And then yung decimal point. Then 0, 0, 1, 1, base 2. Okay? So, ito na yung ating answer for the 1's complement. Now, what about the 2's complement? Again, guys, i-recycle natin to kasi yung step nga is to invert first, tapos mag-a-add ng 1 sa LSB. So, dito ko na lang ilalagay para mas mabilis tayo. So, that would be 0 plus 1, that would be 1. That would be 1, 0, 0, dot, 0, 0, 1, 1, base 2. So, ito ang ating answer para sa ating 2's complement. So, I hope guys na nasusundan nyo yung ating mga examples, lalo na yung shortcut method na tinuro ko sa inyo. Because there are other methods na medyo ma-process pa kaysa dito sa invert-invert lang. So, for our next example, tignan natin at gawin natin challenging yung ating given. Okay? So, in here, we have 1, 1 base 2 plus 1, 0 base 2. So, what we're going to do is to get the sum first. Okay? At yung sum na yan, yan yung gagamitin natin na given to get the 1's and 2's complement. So, what we're going to do is to add this one first. So, that would be 1, 1 base 2 plus 1, 0 base 2. So, 1 plus 0, that would be 1. 1 plus 1, that would be 0. Carry 1. So, i-bring down lang natin yung 1. Tapos, lagyan natin ng base 2. Therefore, yung 1, 0, 1 base 2 ang ating given para kuhanin yung 1's and 2's complement. So, ibig sabihin, ready na tayo kumuha ng 1's complement. Pinaka-right side, that would be 0, 1, 0, base 2. Okay? So, for the 2's complement naman, again guys, i-recycle lang natin to. So, that would be 0, 1, 0, base 2, plus 1 natin. Kasi ito nga yung instruction dito. So, that would be 1, tapos ito 0, base 2. Automatic, this is our answer for 2's complement. And this is our answer for 1's complement. At yung given natin would be yung sum nitong dalawa. Okay? So guys, tingnan natin talaga kung natuto kayo dito sa ating lesson for today. So in order to test yourself, meron akong papasagutan sa inyo and make sure to comment down below your answers, okay? So in here again, to get the 1's complement, we need to invert all the given bits. Meaning, yung 0 gagawin mong 1, yung 1 gagawin mong 0. Okay? For the 2's complement naman, you can invert the bits first or get the 1's complement, alin man dun kasi same lang sila. And then, mag-a-add tayo ng 1 dun sa LSB position. Okay? So, the question for today would be this one. Get the 1's and 2's complement of the sum of 101 base 2 plus 100 base 2. Okay? So, make sure guys na i-check out nyo rin yung aking mga videos katulad ng mga PATanong Series, including dyan yung mga episodes ko for IT, CS, and then IS na mag-Q&A alongside with the collaborations of other content creators. At saka nandyan din yung aking mga tutorials about Java Tag series and other number systems such as adding octal numbers, adding binary numbers, subtracting binary numbers, and so on and so forth. So make sure to check out my channel. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!